Hi, this is our portable radar car alarm. Let me show you out. Here is the on-off switch, speaker, USB Type-C for charge, USB output, and a ring, remote control. We can use it in two situations. One is in the car, then you just plug in and use this remote to turn on and turn off. Another situation is that you can use it in home or office for security use. Just put on the ring, ensure a correct orientation, and the device will be turned on with a DD sound. Now it's in standby mode. Press the remote control to turn on the alarm. With 1D sound, it has been turned on alarm mode. Around 10 seconds, it will detect the movement and the alarm. Press again to turn off the alarm. So we can use it in home, office, and when camping. Anyone move around it, it activates the radar sensor in the top of the device. That's all. Thank you.